Best peanut oil in India. Number 5. Gemini Groundnut Oil Jar, 5 liter. Approx price, 1099 rupees. This is a vegetarian product. Gemini filtered groundnut oil has 100% pure groundnut, extracted from the groundnuts sourced from the best farms of Gujarat. Come with a distinct sweetness in aroma and taste. It has zero cholesterol. Number 4. Natureland Organics Groundnut Oil, Peanut Oil 1 liter, cold pressed. Approx price, 346 rupees. Organic groundnut cold pressed cooking oil. Daily need products for a healthy and energetic life. This oil has deep yellow color with pleasant nutty aroma and sweet taste with high energy. This oil has a high smoke point, 450 degrees Fahrenheit, making this oil suitable for deep frying food items. Number 3. Puvi HDPE 5 liter cold pressed groundnut, peanut oil, Kachi Ghani, 5 liter. Approx price, 1705 rupees and 25 paise. Suited for anything from sautéing, deep frying to grilling. Rich in vitamin E, monounsaturated fats, MUFA, and polyunsaturated fats, PUFA. Phytosterols and resveratrol in cold-pressed groundnut oil are extremely beneficial for cholesterol and thus help in maintaining cardiovascular health. Quality groundnut oil helps against premature aging and assists the skin to be wrinkle-free. Number 2. Kachi Ghani cold-pressed virgin 5 liter groundnut peanut oil. Approx price, 1712 rupees and 85 paise. Extracted using the traditional wooden cold press method. The good cholesterol present in cold pressed groundnut oil lowers the risk of heart disorders. Rich source of vitamin E. It doesn't go rancid easily and has tons of nutritional properties. Pure cold pressed virgin groundnut oil. Number 1. Amazon brand, Vedaka cold pressed peanut groundnut oil. 1 liter. Approx price, 309 rupees. Suitable for use in deep frying and sautéing. 100% pure and unadulterated oil. Ensured by the fatty acid profiling process. Anti-spillage bottle design. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.